In this short tutorial, I will show you how to find your Facebook Messenger link. Your Messenger link is a unique URL that you can share with others so they can easily connect with you on Facebook Messenger. To get started, open up the Facebook Messenger app and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called QR code. Just tap on it. If you can't see this QR code option, make sure to update your Facebook Messenger app to the latest version. What you want to do next is tap on the Share button at the bottom. And then bring this up and tap Copy. Now you've copied your Facebook Messenger link to the clipboard. You can share this link anywhere you want, and if someone taps on it, they will be able to connect with you on Facebook Messenger. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.